afternoon, folks. Joe Baker with Trade Pilot Pro, and the volatility keeps on coming. Wow. And I have hoped you have learned something from my heed my warnings of ugly charts, being at no symmetry, no nothing here. You've got nothing but indecision candle here with this, rejection, price rejection here, indecision here, clearing here, indecision, indecision, clearing, indecision, clearing. It's all fun. Um, it has been fun. Keep in mind, this is what we've got. I know a lot of you use the MACD, so I threw this on here. We are obviously have at this double bottom. I'm going to call it a double bottom. We did have some price rejection here, but the close and the open of this body here on the daily went with the swing low and the swing low here. We do have some positive divergence. I'm always trying to look at the bright side of things because I know most people go long. So we do have some positive divergence. However, okay, double-edged sword. If this decides to roll, look how far down it can go until we're oversold. Eek. Okay, that's a big eek. So, just keep in mind that this market can and will do anything, and it has proven itself that it can and will do anything. All right. Don't ever say that, oh, it can't, because the minute you say it can't, I'm telling you it's gonna hurt, because it will. So that being said, I mentioned in last night's video that our trading channel would run us up to 53. I believe that was last night's video. About 2 minutes into it, I talked about the trading channels we're in, that we're still in a downtrend, and we can still go up to 53 and still be in a downtrend. And that's what we did today. So we're still in a downtrend. Now, if we close above 53, then that's fine, and then we start heading up to, come on guys, you all know these levels, 63, 67 area. Then we go up to the 75 area. Then from 75 we go to the 83. Then from 83 we go to 94. And then from 94 we go to 1304 and then 1313. So I've been using these, we've been working with these same levels, okay, for months. They're the same ones over and over. It's like Groundhog Day, just over and over again. Trade them intraday. It's been easy trading. It's been predictable. And, I know the charts have been crazy. So the overnight session has been one thing between like the close and the open. But during the days, I said, we take out that 60 area, and I said we would just totally liquidate because it's just an area that we haven't been, we haven't tested, and there's just no lines of defense built. We are building them now, okay? So this is where we're getting bounces off of. That 12 area was a good one, okay? So that's where it was. Now I mentioned, many weeks ago that 1212 wanted to be tapped, okay? That was a Fibonacci structure. So we tapped it today, and you saw the bounce we got from there. Will we continue? I have no idea. I really have no idea. It let the market tell you what it's going to do. I know that 53, 50, 53 area is the top end of the channel. It's a great place to go short as the top end of a channel. We break out that area, we're going right up to 60, okay? And then above 60, it's 73, 75 area. So that I can tell you. But I can tell you to be very careful. We got WAMU, that's obviously in a lot of trouble. Obviously, all the news with Lehman. I've warned you about overcrowding the trade, which it did today. The trade got definitely overcrowded, and this is a result of it. So, if you got run over, I apologize. My levels were there. We hit the downside target. We hit the upside target. All the levels were there. Just be careful trading this market. This market's moving on every bite of news it gets. So let's get over to the intraday trading levels right now. And here we are, line in the sand, 1255.50. Above 1255.50, I'm looking for 1260 and a quarter, 1263 and a quarter, 1267 and a quarter, 1273 and three quarter, and then ultimate target of 1279.50. Underneath, 1251.50, 1246 and a quarter, break down at 1241.50. Then we have 1236, 1231, 1225, and 1221.50. Now remember, you can sign up for this blog. At the blog, you can just put your email address in and you will get these levels emailed to you, okay? They will come out. These were sent out earlier this evening at about, I believe, 7 o'clock, 7 or 8 o'clock, early this evening, and you can print them and keep them and do whatever you want with them. But at least they're emailed to you, so you don't have to try to write them down as I speak. All right, guys, take care, and I will speak with you. Now, remember, tomorrow we have news. We have PPI, jobs, and all that other stuff coming out, sentiment and whatever. So just, keep your powder dry, be careful, and I will talk to you next week.